What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a review on the C5 Corvette. And I've had it for about, I'd say, 2 months, and this is gonna be a non-biased review because I'm actually selling the car, not because of anything bad, just because I want something new. But I'm gonna hop in the car here in a minute and give you guys a little bit of review. I'll give you a cold start first off, which is not gonna really be a cold start. I mean, the car's been sitting for probably like an hour or so, but yeah, sorry for the car noise, people keep driving by. But it's not really gonna be a cold start because the car was ran probably like an hour ago. But I'll start it up nonetheless, give you some revs, and it's a stock exhaust. Everything is stock on this car, so hopefully everything sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty hot out here. I think it's like, I want to say upper 70s or maybe even low 80s. But yeah, I'll give you guys a review on this and we'll see what you guys think about it. And also, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm doing a giveaway coming up pretty soon. It's going to be next Friday. So today is Friday, April 3rd. Yeah, April 3rd. So next Friday, I'll be doing a giveaway. All you have to do to enter that giveaway is subscribe and share this video and enter in the comment section down below, done, as soon as you finish that. And that's all you got to do. And I'll be cash apping whoever I pick for the winner of that $25 next Friday. So go ahead and subscribe, share the video, and comment done. And that's all you have to do, and you could have a chance at winning $25 next Friday. So I know it's nothing crazy, but I'm a small YouTube channel, so I'm trying to do something. I appreciate everybody that's watching the videos at least. But this car just looks so good. Don't mind the dirty bird poop right there. Yeah. I washed it not too long ago. I mentioned that in my last video. So it's probably been like a week now since I washed it. But there's really no point in washing it right now. So hopefully everything goes pretty good. And by no means is this a new or garage kept C5 Corvette. This thing has 130,000 miles on it, so you gotta take in consideration all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera to get the start up and give you guys some revs. Okay, you guys, so here's how the inside of my C5 Corvette looks. Don't mind that it's dirty because I have not cleaned the inside yet, which it's not really that filthy. It's just the floor mats are kind of dirty, so they're doing their job. But had the AC going. Hopefully that doesn't affect the audio of this video, but it's pretty toasty, especially with the sunshine. The only thing that's wrong with my C5 Corvette is I have a service tire monitor system on, which that could be a wheel sensor or it could be the actual PC unit itself. So I haven't really taken it anywhere because it doesn't affect anything really as far as driving goes or anything like that. But other than that, I mean, this thing is in great condition. So I'll start off by saying this thing drives amazing. So I'll probably insert some point of view driving with maybe like a music overlay or something like that, and show you going down like a curvy road. It handles pretty good. We don't have the stock radio anymore, so the owner before me replaced this and put in a fold out touchscreen type stereo system and disconnected the 12 disc CD changer in the back and all that. So me personally, I would have left it alone because I don't have this car for the radio. I have it for performance, and as far as performance goes and everything like that, I would highly recommend this car. I mean, I don't think that I regret my decision one bit getting this. I bought it for $8,000, and Like I said, I currently have it for sale though, and it's nothing to do with the car. It's more or less the fact that I just want something new. I've mentioned in my previous videos that I've had a 2018 Camaro SS, and I enjoyed having a new school muscle car more than I do, I guess, the older. It's not really like an old school, so I wouldn't say old school, but the older generation muscle cars. So definitely a huge step down whenever you're coming from something like that to a 2001 Corvette. Don't get me wrong, this is still a nice car. So I'm not bashing this car in any way, shape, or form, because this thing right here performs amazingly. It does what it's supposed to do. I mean, whenever you look at GM when they was trying to sell this car, it does everything that they say. So when you go and look up the statistics on a C5 Corvette, you're going to see exactly what it will do, and that's what you're getting. It's got the always reliable 5.7 liter V8 engine in this thing, so you can't be disappointed there. It has, I think, 385 horsepower. That's what I want to say. Got some trash in there. But the only complaint that I have, which is another thing that you do not buy this car for, so you can't really have a complaint about it, but the cup holder is not made to hold anything at all. So, and it's funny that they only put one. I think if you was going to put anything in here, it should at least be a minimum of 2. And if you're going to just put 1, I don't think you should have any at all, because that's the way that I feel about it. I just always get a drink tray if I order from anywhere anyways, and you know, I end up having to kind of hold onto the drinks with one hand, or my girlfriend had to hold onto the drinks whenever she's with me, and that's how I do it. As far as sound goes with the stock exhaust, so now the stock exhaust, it doesn't make it super loud at all. So if you're wanting this car to be loud, you're gonna have to install an exhaust system and all of that. But for the price, if you're getting a stock C5 Corvette, and I have the coupe edition, so this top does come off. You see this right here comes down like that, and then you do the other one like that, and you'll have to fold them in where it's like that, and then undo this clip right here, and the top will come off from this whole portion, and it'll fit right into the back there where I have some of my camera gear and a hat. It'll fit right back there, and it's really convenient, because on days where I just want to take the top off but I don't want to get rained on, you know, it's just like a convertible. You just take it off, pop it back there. And I've never been a fan of convertibles just due to the fact of leaking, getting tears in the top, stuff like that. So this is a way better option in my opinion. And I have to say, I've never been a fan of anything like that has to do with sealing back. So you have to kind of be careful with that. Mine does not leak, mine does not. But with anything that's a convertible or anything like that, you might have something to do with leaks or just not sealing properly, and you have to really be tedious whenever you put these things back on, or else they will leak. So that's the only thing that could possibly be a problem for you whenever getting one of these that I could see. And I have the 4-speed auto. It was just one of the cheapest C5 Corvettes that I've seen on the market at the time, so I went ahead and bought it, because this car right here, curb appeal, I'm telling you right now, it turns some necks. Okay, I get a lot of the Corvette wave, you know, and that's pretty nice to see some other Corvettes out on nice days like this and stuff. But yeah guys, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I know it wasn't really much of a review, it was more or less my opinion on this car, but yeah, there you guys have it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a like, comment, and I am doing a giveaway like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, so if you stuck around, you're gonna hear it again. Go ahead and subscribe and share this video and comment done whenever you have done that, and you will enter the giveaway, and it will be $25. I will cash app you $25 next Friday, so 1 week from today I will cash app the winner $25. So please go ahead and subscribe, share this video, or share the link to my YouTube channel, either one, and then comment done, and you will enter for $25. But yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys sometime later this week. Trying to double up on my videos because we have some bad weather coming up on us here in North Carolina, so I'm going to try to keep some content rolling. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.